Jack sewing machine, quick service 100%. JK8569E computerized interlock sewing machine series. JK8569E series is one kind of the newest developed direct drive Mechatronics integrated product by Jack Company. It has full automatic sensor with automatic thread trimming, automatic pressure foot lifting, and other functions. This product has the advantages of energy saving, high efficiency, labor saving, and so on, which can average save 62% electricity, increase efficiency by 45%, improve the sewing efficiency, and reduce labor intensity when sewing. JK8569E has 3 sewing modes: full automatic, semi-automatic, and full manual. JK8569E can realize the functions of automatic pressure foot lifting, automatic start sewing, and automatic thread trimming by sensor. Only need to lift the thread stand gently when treating, which makes it very simple. You can also handle with lopper thread breakage or winding easily. This machine adopts button to adjust the stitch length. As long as you press the button and rotate the hand wheel, then you can get the stitch length as needed, which makes the adjustment of stitch length simple and convenient. Jack sewing machine, leading in global sales.